Alright, what's up? I'm going to show you how to get stretch res for Fortnite. Because they patched the old way where you had to, like, change the file. Yeah. Here's proof that it works. This is just a dilation of the 1440 and 1080 original, like, Fortnite stretch res. But, yeah, I'm going to get to the tutorial now. Alright, guys, so on your home screen of your computer, you're going to go right-click. So right-click the background, go to Show More Options, NVIDIA Control Panel, or it should be something else. I don't know if it's like driver-based, or no, not driver-based, like GPU. I'm not sure. I'm not really good with the specs. But then you go to Change Resolution right here, and then you should see these. You won't have these custom ones. These are just custom ones I've set. Like, I know Peterbot uses 1720 by 1080. That's his. And then to apply it, you click yes. And yeah, that's about it. So after you originally click it, just click yes. And as you see, this is the 1720 by 1080. And I will show you how to make a custom one if you want a custom one. It takes a little bit to load. Oh no, I have it right there, sorry. So I'm gonna set it back to normal. But to create a custom one, you click Customize, Create Custom Resolution, and let's just drop this down a couple, for example. Then you're going to click Test. Test successful, custom resolution. Do you want to save this resolution? And then click Yes. And what that does is it saves the resolution inside your custom ones. And that's how you use them. Now, obviously, I'm not going to use this, but as you see, I've got the 1720 1080 and the 2288 by 1440, which is basically that, but dialed up to 1440 on the other edge. So there you guys go. It's pretty simple. And then I'll show you again. I'm going to put it back to 1920 by 1440, which is just a scaled up version of 1440 and 1080. It's a little much, but I want to try it out because I'm bored. And then, yeah, see, it correlates to your Fortnite thing. Oh, yeah, hold up. There's one more thing I almost forgot. You have to go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. If you have a really good graphics card, this perform scaling, it should be display. But if you don't, just put it on GPU because it's fine. And then it'll start on aspect ratio right here. Again, in Adjust Desktop Size and Position. It'll start on aspect ratio, change it to full screen. So what that does, instead of holding it like that, where there's the black bars, that gets rid of them and it stretches out your screen. And then you can like scroll through the different resolutions. See, that's the one I have. That's 1720, 1440, and then that's native resolution, which is normal. And then just click apply, make sure it's GPU. If you have a really good graphics card, do display. This should be off, by the way. And then full screen. Make sure full screen's on. Click apply. And that's it. It should be all you have to do. It's a lot simpler than the other version. And hope you guys got helped by this video. Anyways, have a good night.